Hi, this is Derek with the Kids S.A.F.E Foundation. We want to do a quick video unboxing of a new product that was sent to us by our friends with Daisy Outdoors. And so this is the newer Red Ryder Daisy Revolver. And what I love about this is it complements the Red Ryder carbine very nicely. And what I mean by that, it's really realistic. And so in the box, you'll get the instruction manual. You also get the revolver. The revolver seems to be made out of polymer, but it doesn't feel like it's made out of polymer. It feels like it has a pretty good weight to it. Seems well balanced. Here's the magazine right here. So basically what I would do is I would put my BBs in there and then just drop that, and that's what would feed the rounds into the chamber. Here's my safety right there. So that's on fire. When it's on fire like that, that's when I can cock the hammer. And so I can let the hammer down just like that. Put it back on safe. And so where I put my CO2, which is kind of cool, is underneath the grip there, and you'll see it has a built-in Allen key that's on the handle itself. And so that's going to make it easy for you to change and fill and unfill the revolver. You just kind of use that to kind of, charge the gun. And so really cool product. And I've been using Daisy products since I was about 3 years old. I'm just a huge fan, and this is something I'm really excited about, something that'd be great to add to the collection. And so you can find out more about this product or their other products on their website, daisy.com. Thank you.